You generated the clips, you recorded the voice, and you still have to open a fourth app to edit, one that bills you monthly and stamps its logo on your video. Capcap is already inside the RealForge, free for everyone, running on your own machine. Desktop only because it renders with ffmpeg. Every video gets its own project. Type a name, pick 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1, hit Create, and you land straight on the timeline. Projects live in the App Media folder. Switching computers? Export a .capcap.zip. It bundles every media file, so it just opens on the other machine. Drag clips from your folders straight into the media panel, or press Import. It takes MP4, MOV, WebEM, MP3, WAV, JPG, PNG, and WebP. Stills land on the timeline as 4 seconds. Anything already used carries an added badge, and clips with no sound are marked silent, so you never guess. Video and audio sit on separate tracks, the way a real editor works. Import a file with both, and the two clips stay linked. Drag one, and the pair moves together. Need another layer? Press +V or +A and stack as many tracks as you want. Snapping pulls edges together so you never leave a black frame. 4 tools. Select, razor, trim everything left of the playhead, trim everything right. The shortcuts match CapCut, so your hands already know them. Delete leaves a gap. Ripple delete closes it for you. Wrong move? Control-Z. The app remembers 100 steps. Select a clip and look at the top toolbar. Freeze the frame under the playhead into its own still. Reverse the clip, picture and sound together. Mirror it. Rotate 90 degrees per click. Want a tighter frame? The Properties panel has crop, with sliders for left, right, top, and bottom. Speed runs from 0.1 times up to 8 times. For that sports highlight feel, open the Curve tab and pick one of 6 presets. Montage, Hero, Bullet, Flash in, Flash out. Every slider also takes keyframes on the diamond button, so a zoom ramps smoothly instead of jumping. Text ships with 6 presets: Default, Title, Subtitle, Boxed, Lower Third, Outline. Click one and it drops in at the playhead. From there, the Properties panel gives you any system font, sizes from 12 to 300 pixels, a stroke up to 20 pixels, and a background box you can switch on. Automatic captions run on Whisper, entirely on your machine, and cost 0 credits. One install, roughly 100 megabytes of package, plus a 460 megabyte model. Pick the spoken language from 6 options, choose the fast model or the accurate one, then tick bilingual for a translated track in any of 8 languages. With a text clip selected, open the Text-to-Speech tab and 50 offline voices appear. Press the play arrow to hear that exact line in that exact voice. Then hit Generate Speech, and the audio drops in right under the clip. This part needs a plan that includes TTS. Capcap itself stays free. The Audio tab collects 94 voices from 6 sources. 50 of them run on your machine. 14 Vietnamese from ViaNu, 28 English from Kokoro, 8 cloning voices from Vox CPM. The rest are 21 ElevenLabs voices on credits, 11 Labs with your own key, and 9 Vietnamese voices from FPT.ai. Want the video read in your own voice? Pick Voice Clone, load any recording you have, type a start and end time code, and press Trim to pull a clean 15-second sample. The ViaNu path runs on CPU and needs no transcript. The Vox CPM path needs an NVIDIA GPU. For music, press AI Suggest, and the app writes 3 prompts that fit your channel. Pick one and generate on credits. Ace Step at 3,000 dong a track, Google's Lyria 2 at 4,000, Stable Audio at 12,000. Select several tracks as a playlist, and they get stitched in order at render. Export straight to MP4 with ffmpeg on your own machine. Choose resolution, frame rate, one of 3 quality levels, and tick the box for a separate .srt file. The app tells you honestly whether it is doing a fast render or a frame-by-frame one to match the preview, and why. No uploads, no waiting in line. Download the Windows or macOS build at therealforge.com. Capcap is free. Automatic captions are free. There is nothing to buy. Want the 50 voices that run on your machine? Add the basic plan. Not ready for that? Top up credits and use 11 labs at 4,500 dong per 1,000 characters. Edit and export in one app.